Precious 2344 square feet of 4 BHK. This property is available for sale in North Bangalore. Just you can have a tour of this 4 BHK in the budget of around 2 crore 60 lakhs. Nowhere in Bangalore you will find this much precious property at this price. So this is a huge fire they are giving, just entry from the fire, and then if you come inside, here you have the dining area, then a living with attached balcony, a decent sized balcony they are giving. You can just check it out. It is like 5 feet by 12 feet. And then if you are coming just beside of the dining area, you will find a huge kitchen. And just from the living, on the left hand side, you have the third bedroom. Then if you go little inside, you will find the common restroom here, which is a decent size. And then little inside, if you go, this will be your second bedroom with the attached toilet. And little inside if you go, you will find the master bedroom. This is the toilet what you will see in the master bedroom, with false ceiling and all the fittings. And then here if you come, there's a master bedroom with a sitting balcony. Actually the balcony is like a duck area where you can have your tea, coffee, anything in the balcony. And then again, if you are going towards the living area, just on the right side of your living area, you will find the another bedroom. Whether you can say a guest bedroom, a master bedroom, that is up to you. Exactly, this is a bigger bedroom comparatively to other. You can make this one as master bedroom, or like other side of the bedroom you can make as the master bedroom. So here a huge balcony with walking closet, and then this is a restroom what you are seeing here with attached restroom. And here also you have a balcony. It's a decent size balcony what you can say. So this is the tour of a 4 BHK. This is available near to airport. 2444 square feet of 4 BHK. This property is available for sale at the price of 2 crore 60 lakhs with the payment plan of 20 per annum. For more details, please contact me.